Good morning. Today is December 13, 2023, Wednesday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 13, 2023, Wednesday. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of December 13, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.